Hello and welcome. In this friendly tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the exact steps to permanently delete your Namecheap account. Whether you no longer need your domain registrar account, you've moved your domains to another provider, or you simply want to close an unused web hosting profile, this guide will show you the process from start to finish. All right, let's jump in. Step 1. Sign in to your Namecheap account. Go to Namecheap.com and click Sign In at the top right. Enter your username and password, then click Log In. This will take you to your Namecheap dashboard, where you can see all your services and products. Step 2. Check active services before deleting. Before you can close your account, Namecheap requires that you have no active domains or hosting services left. If you still have domains, you have two options. Transfer your domain to another registrar, for example, GoDaddy, Cloudflare, or Squarespace. Let the domains expire if you don't need that. Similarly, if you have active hosting plans or email services, you'll need to cancel them or wait for them to expire. Step 3. Open Profile and copy Support PIN at left side. Open your profile. Click on Security. Here, you'll see something called Support PIN. In my case, this PIN is valid for August 15. This PIN will be necessary if you want to delete your Namecheap account. Step 4. Submit a ticket. On the top left side, you'll see Contact Us. Click on Submit Ticket. The old system is now removed. You need to do mail to the address as shown here. For the message subject, type Account Closure Request. For the body of the message, write something like, "Hello, I have Namecheap account and I don't need it anymore. Here is my details. Username, HMR4096, PIN, 1812. Please delete my account. Regards, Rune." Submit the request. Usually, within 5 working days, your Namecheap account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. You've now learned how to permanently delete your Namecheap account step by step. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials on domain management.